Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of WordPress series, and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can create a product carousel in WooCommerce using Elementor. So for that, go to your WordPress and go to plugins area. Here we need to install a plugin named as Elementor. Okay, so here we need to search for the plugin that is Elementor. Okay, so here is the plugin. You need to click on install This plugin is going to provide us some features like to create quick view option, wish list option, product compare, product filter, variation searches and all. Okay, so click on activate. Actually this plugin will help to create some more things that we will see in our further videos. Okay, so here are some more extensions that you can install for this plugin. So right now we don't need this, so we are going to our pages section and here we are going to make our first product carousel. Now choose a page on which you want to create your carousels. Now click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so now let's try to create a product carousel. Now make a section. So I choose this one. Now what you need to do, you need to go here and search for universal product layout. Now select this and drag it here. Okay, now you are not going to see anything except only one product, but this time we need more than one product. So first of all we are going to create multiple products. Okay, so if you see that we have one product right now, but how we can make them multiple? So to make them multiple we can do one thing, that we can duplicate product multiple times. So let's visit to the product section and then click on all product. Now when you hover on this title, then you will be able to see these options, right? These options. Okay, so now click on duplicate. It will create a one more product which will be totally similar to that. Okay, so right now we have enough product to store here. Okay, so here we have almost 5 products. So click on that product one. So click on this product and from here you can select the layout. For example, this is a default layout and here you will be able to see only 3 products. But what if I want a slider here that we are actually looking for? It means it will create a product carousel for us. Here you can see that here we have our product carousel. Okay, and now I click for the same height of box. Here it is asking that what products you want to show here, so I click on show the recent product that I have updated. Now it's asking me that how many products you want to show here, means you want to show maximum how much products you want to show here. So I want to show maximum 30 products. Right now I have only 5 products, so it will show the 5 only. If you have 50 products, then you will be able to see 50 products here. Now if I scroll left and right, I'm going to use these arrow to slide these. Okay, and from here you can set the product category. For example, here we have only one category and the category is pendant, and from here you can assign their order as well, but right now I'm not going to assign them from any kind of order. And this is the section where we are going to style our product content. So this is the first style, and in the second style the product content is going to look like this. And from here you can check all these 4 options. I think the first one is pretty good and this one is also okay. So if you want to show the product category, then you can enable this, and if you don't want to show the product category, then you can hide the product category. But right now we want to show the product category, so it will give a better look. Now let's talk about the action button setting. So the first option is this, that the action buttons will appear normally on it, but we want to show the action buttons only on hover. Like the user came and hover here, the two action buttons will came out. Okay, and from here you can check, you can set the positioning of them as well. For example, I took the left option. Now the action buttons will come from left side. If you want to show them in middle, then this option will work. Like I click I hover here and I'm able to see these options. Now let's change the styling. So I took the second one. Okay, now it's looking pretty good. If you want to check the third style also, then you can go for that as well, and the third style will appear something like this. So I think the second one is pretty good, so we are going with that. Okay, now let's talk about the image setting, that you want to show multiple images or only single image, like you have multiple product images as per their variation, then you can show them as well here. Okay, so here it's showing that slider option, but the image is not loading right now. So we are going to choose the first option because only one image will look pretty good over here. Now let's talk about the slider options. Here the slider, from here you can fix that how many elements you want to show here. For example, currently it's showing me 3 products, but I want to show 4 products at a time. So you need to increase the slider items value. Now here you can see that we are seeing 4 products here, and from here you can enable the slider dot option. It will appear here that 2 or 3 dots according to your product quantity, and click on autoplay, that the products will automatically slide, and from here you can set your slider items to scroll value. Okay, now I think here we are done. Click on update and let's check that how it appears. From this, by clicking on this I button, you will get the preview of your changes. So here if I go on website and check that how it's appearing, so this is how our product carousels are looking. Okay, so I think we need to take product 3 products at a time, that will appear much better than 4. Okay, so here now we will have 4 3 products at a time. So this time we will have only 3 products at a time, and it's looking pretty good. Okay, and this thing is totally responsive. If you see this in any kind of device, then you will find the design will be perfectly responsive. Okay, so here you can see that we are seeing the product carousel. So here you can see that we have the product carousel and it's looking pretty good. So I hope after watching this video you will be able to create your product carousel in WooCommerce for free. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.